Hey, Sal, we must have been through this 50 times already.
And we'll go through it another 50 if that's what it takes. 9:30. Lights out. Guard begins his rounds. How we doing tonight, Ferguson? Fairly good?
I'm doing great, Mr. DeLuca. My boy Tommy, he's almost 6 now.
Ain't that swell? Hey, Finn, you get that tip for Saturday's race yet?
I'm working on it. Right now.
Ah! Wow!
I'm gonna shut him up, or do I gotta do it?
You know the rules, handsome. No talking. 9:35. The weasel launches into a song and dance routine.
Damn it, Arlington.
You've got to get the dog! Oh!
Better be the leader deal this time.
Once the weasel gets the keys, we move on to stage 2. Let's get moving.
Here you go, fellas. Courtesy of the warden's private collection.
Boys in the laundry stashed the parts.
Of course they fucking did.
What the fuck? I killed him!
You've been in the joint too long, Al. Forgotten how to get shit done. What the fuck?
Bang, 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 bang.
This ain't right. Something weird's going on here. You don't say, Weasel. Where are those screams coming from? Oh shit!